Good morning, students. Am I audible for all of you? Am I audible? Yes or no?
Good morning.
Okay. Just wait 2 to 3 minutes, then we will start.
Okay, so just 1 minute. You are getting my voice? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Today we will discuss now you are getting my voice. Hello.
Yes, sir.
শোনা যাচ্ছে Okay, so first of all, good morning, all of you. Actually, I want to discuss the live session today live. Okay, so at this moment, I am in the laboratory. So today we will discuss that is the mm, half adder, full adder, and half substructure, full substructure. Okay, one thing, and you already studied the this simplest combinational circuit, that is half adder, full adder, half substructure, and full substructure. I think now the kit is visible for all of you. It is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the kit for the experiment of adder substructure circuit. Here you can see this is the adder substructor kit, and with this kit we can easily perform the half adder and full adder, then half substructor and the full substructor. And one thing, you already know the concept or theory about the half adder, full adder, half substructor, and full substructor. So if you observe here the trainer kit, so here you can see this is actually the already the kit is developed here. And one thing, this portion is only for the half adder, this is the full adder, this is for the half substructor, and this is for the full substructor. Okay, and this portion, actually here are actually 8 pin. For why it is the 8 input pins? Because with the help of these 8 pins we can easily perform the full adder and full substructor. We already know that to perform the full adder and full substructor we need 3 input pins. So that's why if we give the 3 inputs, so now with the help of 3 input we will get the 8 input combination. So for 8 input combination there is 8 in digital input. Okay, and one thing, this portion is for the digital output. Okay, so this is the section, and this is the clock and pulsar, and mainly we will focus this portion and as well as this digital input and digital output. And here you can see, and here you can see this is a VCC, and this is the ground portion. Okay, so now before going to start the experiment, that is the half adder, first you already know, I know that the theory about the half adder. Okay, so first tell me which gate actually needed for the case of half adder. So here you can easily saw also from this kit that which gate we needed for the half adder. Hello,
Yes, sir.
which gate actually we needed to implement the half adder?
XOR gate, sir.
XOR and XOR, we need actually 2 gates. One is XOR gate, another is
AND gate.
And gate.
AND gate. So here you can see this is the XOR gate, symbol of XOR gate, and this is the symbol of AND gate. Okay, so what is the IC number of XOR gate? So this is trainer kit when you are doing this experiment with the help of a breadboard. So in that sense, I will provide you the IC. So if you don't know the IC number of each and every gate, so how you will understand that what IC is for what gate?
7486.
7486 is the IC number of XOR gate, and for the AND gate, what is the IC number?
7408.
7408.
7408. Okay, so here you can see this the here actually this portion I am just zooming. So this is a two input, this is A and this is B, and there is two input one thing, and here this is the XOR gate and this is the AND gate. This is for the sum and this is for the carry. You already know for the half adder there is two input and there is two output. Okay, so two output out of two output, one is for sum and one is for the carry. Okay, so now for your better understanding, I am now again drawing the truth table, or I am writing the truth table in our copy. Okay, so here one thing, so first half adder. Okay, the symbol. So if we consider the symbol like that, okay, so this is, you can say this is A and this is B. So this is the input one, and this input one is connected with this, and this input two, this is the input two also. So this is the IC number here, this is 7486 and this is 7408. Okay, this is for sum and this is for carry. Okay, this is the output one thing. Now the truth table, if we consider the truth table, so we have two input. So two input, this is A, this is B, and the two output, that is sum, S for sum and C for carry. Okay, so first for two input we are getting four combination, that is 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. So based on this input combination, we are actually getting the output that is for the case of S and C. So here for the first combination, S is 0 and the carry is also 0. For the second combination, the sum is 1, the carry is 0. For third combination, sum is 1, carry is 0, and the fourth combination, that the sum is 0 and carry is 1. So this is the truth table for half adder. Okay, so if whenever I will give the input combination, we will see that this output combination we are getting and not from the half adder circuit. Okay, so now we will move to the trainer kit. So okay, I am taking the probes. So first here, this is the input. So this is connected with this digital input. One input is connected. Next is another input. So this input actually connected with this digital input. So the input is now connected for the case of half adder. Now the output. Okay, so output means sum and carry. So here this sum is connected with this digital output, and this is the carry for the carry. So this carry is also connected with this digital output. Now one thing, that VCC and ground. Okay, so here you can see this is the VCC and this is the ground. So this VCC and here this is the VCC. So this is connected with this VCC, and the ground is connected with this ground. Okay, so now our half adder circuit connection is over. Now we will see that as per our knowledge, we are getting and not the output. Okay, so just we are now switch on our kit. Okay, so first here I think today you are getting a little bit clear that here actually the first 3 pin. So here actually in input all the 8 pins is blinking, and here it is giving the red color. Red color means here all the 8 pins in is in 0 state. Okay, we have when this is 0, in that sense it is giving the red. When we are pushing any digital input means we are giving the value 1, in that sense it blinks with the color of green. Okay, one thing. So here we need actually for the half adder 2 input. So for the case of half adder, here actually we connected these two digital input. So first is 0 0. So for the case of 0 0, here you can see that just 1 minute. This green wires. So the first one is for sum, and the second wire, this yellow, is for the carry. Okay, so first combination, that is 0 0. So it is already in 0 0 state combination. So here as per our output, the sum is 0 and carry is 0. So whenever in the digital output, when we are getting 0 0, so here you can see the sum and carry is not blinking. Okay, so when anyone the sum or carry is 1, in that sense it will blink. Okay, so the next combination, that is 0 and 1. So this is suppose 0 and 1. So this is, I am considering here, this is 0, so I am giving here in one state, so 1. So when I am giving the 0 1 combination, you can see here as per our theory knowledge, the sum is giving 1, that's why this digital output LED is blinking, but the carry is 0, that's why the second LED is not blink. Okay, now next case is that 1 0 1 0. Again for the case of 1 0, this is I am giving here the 1 and this is 0. So for the case of 1 0 combination, for the case of 1 0 combination, here you can see the sum is 1 and carry is 0. Okay, so here from this you can see also this one, first one is sum. So for the, when the sum is 1 here, so it is blinking and the carry is 0. And the last combination, that is 1 1. So at this moment here you can see the last combination is 1 1. So in that sense the sum is 0 and the carry is 1. Carry 1 is 1 means, so here at this moment it is 0 0. Here the first one for sum and the second one is carry as per our connection. So as per this truth table, here the second LED should be blinking because the carry is here 1. So here I am giving the 1 state of both inputs. So this is 1 and so this is 1. So here you can see at this moment the first one, that is the sum LED is not blinking as per our truth table, but the LED of carry is blinking because the value of carry for the case of 1 1 combination, it is 1, that's why the LED is blinking. Okay, so this is the up to the half adder. So for the case of half adder, for the 4 combination, we are getting actually the proper output. Is there any doubt for the case of half adder? Is there any doubt?
नो सर, बट यहाँ पे और भी बहुत सारा सॉकेट अवेलेबल है सर, जैसे कि अपर लेफ्ट कॉर्नर में और इधर राइट साइड में, वो सब किस लिए है?
कुछ कुछ है, तो ये है एक्चुअली यहाँ पर देखो क्लॉक है, यहाँ पर पल्सर है, मतलब एक जो हम कॉम्बिनेशन दे रहे हैं कुछ कुछ टाइम हमको ये तुमसे कैलकुलेट भी कर सकते हो। एक्चुअली फॉर दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट इट इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड, बट with the help of this we can easily calculate that how many time is taken to generate the one pulse. Okay, so here you can see this is the clock and this is the pulsar, and this is for the logic probe. Okay, and this is the one thing, this is the there is two digital input output probes. This is the one, and here from this is DR0 to 5 and this is for DL0 to 5. Okay, this is the 6 digital output and this is the 6 digital output.
ओके सर।
Okay, okay, so the half adder is over. Now we will move forward for the full adder. Okay, just wait 1 minute. Okay, so the half adder is all over. Now our aim is to experiment the full adder. Okay, just before going to start the full adder experiment, at this moment it is half adder experiment, and with the help of full adder with the help of half adder experiment we can easily construct the full adder. So first of all, tell me, for the case of full adder, how many input is there?
Three.
Three.
Inputs, sir.
And the output is 2. Okay, so this is the main difference of half adder and full adder. But one thing, okay, so one thing that here if we observe this only this block, so this block here you can see that there is 3 input. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3, and this is the 2 output. Okay, so so from this connection we can easily perform the full adder. Now tell me, for the case of full adder, actually which gate is needed?
XOR and OR गेट।
XOR and
And OR gate.
सही से बोलो। फुल एडर के लिए क्या क्या चाहिए? फुल एडर इस तरह से है, यहाँ पर देखो, ठीक है, हम कनेक्शन खोल दे रहे हैं, देख लो पहले। ये फुल एडर में क्या क्या चाहिए? फ्रॉम दिस लॉजिक सिंबल यू कैन इजीली से दिस इज द फुल एडर।
XOR gate, AND gate, and OR gate.
Yes, so to construct the full adder we need 3 input XOR gate and 2 input AND gate and 3 input OR gate. Okay, so just few minutes ago you told the IC number for XOR gate, that is 7486, and the IC number of AND gate, that is 7408. So what is the IC number for OR gate? What is the IC number for OR gate?
7432, sir.
7432. Okay. So first of all, before going to start the experiment of full adder, first here I am drawing you the symbol and the truth table for the full adder for your better understanding. So this is full adder. So here suppose this is A and this is B. This is input number 1 and 2. Okay, so this is connected with this 1 and 2. This is the XOR gate. So this is 7486 and this is 7408. Now these three in output is connected. This is 4, this is 5, and here this is 4 and 5, and here this is 3. Actually it's connected with 1 and 2. So this is 3, this is the 7408, and this is 7486, and this is 7432, and this is the C. Okay, now one thing, and this is the value of 6, and this is 6. So this is for the sum, this is for the sum, and this is C. Actually here it is, you can say this is C in and this is C out. This is for carry. Okay, so here you can see there is 3 input for the case of full adder. So the truth table, so the truth table is A, B, C in, sum is for sum, and C out is for carry. Okay, so first one is 0 0 0. For the case here it is 0 0. Second one is 0 0 1. So it is just 1 minute. Sum 1 and carry is 0. Third one is 0 1 0. Sum is 1, carry out 0. Fourth one is 0 1 1. Here for the case of 0 1 1, sum is 0, carry out is 1. For the case of 0 1 1, then 1 0 0, here sum is 1, carry is 0, For the case of 101, sum is 0, carry out is 1. For the case of 110, sum is 0, carry is 1. And for the case of 111, sum is 1 and carry out is also 1. So this is the 8 combination: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the 8 combination for the case of full adder. Okay, so now we will construct the full adder experiment. Okay, so first here I'm taking the probes. So this is the, just 1 minute. So this is the input. So first, this is the A connected is A1. This is B is connected with this. Okay, and C, suppose the 3 number input is connected with this digital input. Now the output. So output means sum and carry. So sum here it is connected, sorry, sum it is connected with this, and the carry is connected with this digital output. Now the ground and VCC. Okay, so here the VCC is connected with 5 volt and the ground is connected with this particular ground. Okay, just 1 minute. Okay, so here you can see at this moment we construct the full adder connection. Okay, and this is the input pins. So with this input pins, actually where we can give 8 input combination, and this is the 2 output. One is for this, yellow is for sum and the green is for here actually for carry. Okay, so now I am giving 1 by 1 combination, and we will see and the as per output, as per the theory concept, we are getting the output or not. Okay, so first one here, the first combination, that is 0 0 0. So already this digital input, it is already in 0 0 0 state. So here as per our knowledge, the output is 0 0. Okay, so here you can see that there is no LEDs blinking, means sum and carry is 0. The second one is 0 0 1. So 0 0 1. So this is 0, this is A, this is B and C. So 0 0 1, we are giving this digital input 1. So in that sense, the sum, this is the sum. So LED is blinking. Okay. Next is that 0 1 0. So B input variable B1. This is 0 1 0. So I am 1 in that. So the sum is giving the red light, means at this moment the sum is 1. The value of sum is 1 output. So next is 0 1 1. So 0 1 1, here it is 0 1 1. So in that sense, this is 0, this is 1, and this is 1. So this is 1 and this is 1. So in that sense, you can see the sum is 0. Sum is means yellow. So here the LED, particular LED is not blinking. Only the carry is 1. That's why carry output is 1. That's why the second LED is blinking in the digital output. Okay. Next one is 1 0 0. 1 0 0. So here you can see this is 1 and the rest of the 2 input variables is 0 0. In that sense, only the sum is 0. That's why, sorry, sum is 1. That's why the LED is blinking. And next input combination, that is 1 0 1. In that sense, it is 1 0 1. So this is 1, this is 0, and this is 1. So here for the case of 1 0 1, the carry is 1, that's why the LED is blinking only, and the sum is 0, that's why the corresponding LED is not blinking. For the case of the last two combination, that is 110 and 111. So first we'll see the 110. So 11, this is already 1, this is 1. So this at this moment it is 11. At this moment this is 110. So correspondingly the output of sum is 0 and the carry is 1. In the case of 111, 111, this is 1, this is 1, and this is 1. So here you can see the two LED for the output, that is sum and carry, both are 1 1. That's why we are getting the two LED is blinking. Okay, so as per the truth table, we are getting the all 8 input combination, and we are watching here the whenever we are giving the all 8 input combination, corresponding output combination we are properly getting. Okay, so this is the concept or experiment or full adder circuit. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
सर
Okay,
मेरा
sir.
क्वेश्चन है सर, मेरा डाउट है
बोलो।
सर, जैसे कि इसका जो
हम पहले
सर्किट
एक
है,
मिनट पहले हम बोल देना चाहते हैं, टाइम शायद खत्म हो जाए सकता है, तो ये खत्म हो जाएगा तो बाद में दूसरा वाला क्लास में ज्वाइन करना। बोलो अभी।
तो सर जैसे कि इसमें सेकंड सर्किट है जो कैरी वाला सर्किट है, उसका हम लोग का कल इक्वेशन आया था कुछ बी सीन प्लस ए सीन प्लस ए बी। तो और ये जो
एक मिनट बोलो क्या आया?
बी सीन प्लस ए सीन प्लस ए बी आया था
कैरी
कल।
का?
हाँ, कैरी का फुल एडर में। बट सर इसमें जो सर्किट दिख रहा है उसमें हमको समझ बी सीन प्लस ए सीन
हेलो?
प्लस ए बी।
हाँ,
यस
क्या बोल
सर।
रहा है? तो क्या? हाँ, तो क्या बोल रहा है तुम? इसमें क्या समझ में नहीं आ रहा तुमको?
तो सर इसमें सर वो आंसर कैसे आ रहा है, मतलब ये जो सर्किट का डिजाइन है उसमें बी सीन प्लस ए सीन प्लस ए बी कैसे आ रहा है वो हमको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, जो कैरी वाला पार्ट में है।
इसमें अच्छा, इसमें देखो कैरी वाला पार्ट में, इसमें जो बीसीन तुम बोले थे, हम बीसीन मतलब वहां पर जो हम इनपुट वेरिएबल का नाम दिए थे बीसीन, यहाँ पर इनपुट वेरिएबल का नाम है बी एन। एज पर दिस स्टैंडर्ड किट, दिस इज बी एन, ए एन एंड सी एन माइनस 1। ओके,
वो सर वो ठीक है, बट वो आंसर जो है वो
हाँ।
कैसे आ रहा है वो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है। जैसे कि कल जो था वो मतलब जो सर्किट बना था वो सिंपल था, इसमें थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लेक्स कर दिया है, मतलब एंड गेट और गेट को जैसे हम सिंपली किए वैसे नहीं किया है, इसलिए हमको थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है कि कैसे आंसर आ
क्या
रहा है।
क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है?
जैसे कि सर्किट से कैरी का आंसर जो आ रहा है ना सर, वो सर्किट से हम जैसे कि हम फॉलो थ्रू करें तो सर्किट से मेरा आंसर नहीं आ पा रहा है, इसलिए।
आंसर तुम्हारा क्या आ रहा है? हमको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, तुम क्या बोलना चाहते हो? एक बार बोलो। और जो एक्सप्रेशन तुम कल लिखे हो, जो ये वाला ए बी प्लस ए सीन प्लस बी सीन, ये तो कैरी आउट का।
हाँ सर, ये इक्वेशन जो है और इससे जो सर्किट डिजाइन हुआ है वो सर्किट डिजाइन कैसे हुआ है ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है सर। इसका सिंपल
अच्छा।
सर्किट भी हो सकता था, बट ये थोड़ा कॉम्प्लेक्स करके बनाया, तो सिंपल सर्किट क्यों नहीं बनाया है हमको ये समझ
ये
में
तो
नहीं आ रहा।
देखो, ये तो ट्रेनर किट है। ट्रेनर किट में जिस तरह से कनेक्शन किया हुआ है हम उस तरह से ही बोल रहे हैं। ठीक है, तुम कोई भी तरह से बना सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लेकिन when you are doing or developing the full adder circuits in that particular circuit